Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. First, open CapCut and either create a new project or open an existing one. Choose the video clip you want to edit and place it on your timeline. Now, move the playback cursor to the point where you want the zoom in effect to start. Click to select your video clip, then go to the top right panel. Make sure video is selected, then click on Basic. Scroll down to transform and click Add Keyframe, the diamond icon. This marks the start of your zoom effect. Next, move the cursor forward to where you want the zoom in to finish. Use the scale slider or drag the corner points of the video to zoom in and adjust the framing. CapCut will automatically add another keyframe. To zoom out, first add a new keyframe. Now move the cursor to the point where you want to zoom out. Resize the video back to its original size. Then reduce the scale back to normal. CapCut will create another keyframe for you. This way, CapCut will smoothly zoom the video back out. Now, when you press play, your video will smoothly zoom in and then zoom out. You can adjust the speed of the zoom by dragging the keyframes closer together or further apart. And that's it. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.